stance of that thing's just mean as hell. It's really cool. I don't know what the hell they were thinking with the second gen Avenger. Looks like total dog shit. You know, everyone wanted fuel economy. Apparently that had a design of its own. This one's way better as far as it looks. Yeah. What went wrong? So the tire is sticking out there. Just putting the wheels on it. Minor issue right there. Yeah, going inward, but I don't care. Free TV, good TV. What are you gonna do? Could overscan it, but who cares? Who wants to do that? Every game's gonna be different. Every source is gonna be different. Really healthy too. Not blurry in the corners at all. Well, the RCA's get blurry in the corner quicker than others. It's a non-RCA tube. It's going to take a while for it to get blurry in the corners. That one's blurry in the corners, but I still love it.